How does tf.keras.layers.Conv2D with padding equals same and strides greater than 1 behave? I read what is the difference between same and valid padding in tf.nn.max_pool of TensorFlow. But this is not true to my experiment. Produces however, following the above link produces 1, 31, 31, 6, because there is no extra values outside filter ranges without any padding. How does tf.keras.layers.Conv2D with padding equals same and strides 1 behave? I want to know the exact answer and its evidence.
Keras uses TensorFlow implementation of padding. All the details are available in the documentation here. First, consider the same padding scheme. A detailed explanation of reasoning behind it is given in these notes. Here, we summarize the mechanics of this padding scheme. When using same, the output height and width are computed as the total padding applied along the height and width is computed as Finally, the padding on the top, bottom, left and right are Note that the division by 2 means that there might be cases when the padding on both sides, top versus bottom, right versus left, are off by 1. In this case, the bottom and right sides always get the 1 additional padded pixel. For example, when pad_long_height is 5, we pad 2 pixels at the top and 3 pixels at the bottom. Note that this is different from existing libraries such as Beckon and tf, which explicitly specify the number of padded pixels and always pad the same number of pixels on both sides. For the valid scheme, the output height and width are computed as and no padding is used.
In TensorFlow, for stride s and input size n, padding with same gives n/s, or the ceiling of input size divided by stride.